Hi, this is Ted from Teddy V Photos. Got a new bag, so I thought I would do an unboxing video. This is another one from Osprey. It is the Manta 24 liter. The color is called Oak Leaf Orange. I'm not really sure where they came with that one. But this is ideal for backpacking or hiking. And I'll show you why in just a few minutes. So again, this is an unboxing, so let's go with it. Again, unboxing and first impressions, because again, the only thing I've seen on this is online. So the biggest thing you see right away is the hydration tube. As I remember correctly, it's got a 2.5 liter hydration tube inside. It comes with it. And then of course it's got the the attachment points for the hose. It goes inside there, and we'll actually look at it in a second. The biggest thing you'll see right away is the suspension. So again, with the suspension, it's supposed to be very comfortable, and also it'll be ideal for keeping your back dry or minimize how wet your backs get. So we'll continue on. It's got magnets. Very cool. Oh yeah, I like that. And of course, you've got the waist straps and pockets. Very nice. Now when I first looked at this color, I wasn't really sure about the color, but it sort of grew on me as I spent time. Comes with a rain cover. Now the rain cover is a funky green color, not too keen on that, but again, hopefully you don't have to use it that often. And it's got its own little pouch to put in. It's got a little reflector here, and also if you were biking, you could put a bike light in here. The part that I really liked was this part right here, was the stash pocket. And then of course, we've got attachment points, water bottle, with a deep water bottle, as you can see, halfway down my arm. So that'll hold probably 1 liter, 2 liter. Another one on the bottom on the side here. And then of course it's got a little stash pocket right here. Another pocket here. And it's got compression straps. To get into the main bag itself. And then of course there's one more strap, or I should say one more pocket, and that's where your water bottle could be, and or something else that you want to put in there. Again, it's a 2.5 liter pouch, and the best part is this is one of those types where it folds over and you can release the tube or replace the tube as it gets older. So again, this is the Osprey 24 liter Manta. Nice bag. I'm going to test it out next weekend when I go hiking. Not going to do it this weekend because I got to do a little house cleaning and also a little shopping. So again, I'll let you know what I think about it. Thanks for watching. See ya. Have a good day.